demonstration of what we're doing, what we're seeing.
well.
So they're using infrared technology here too to drive like a touch screen here, and this is synced to my computer, I think. So we can.
Oh,
actually,
you're not in
maybe,
browser here. And maybe
this is.
I think you have to click inside your.
Yeah, I don't know if we can drive that viewer window.
With a touch screen. Yeah, it's not really built for it. But all right, try.
Wait, so what's your
Looks like you're
what's your
still in
Twitter handle?
Finder. Now
Huh?
you're in Chrome.
What's your Twitter handle?
bbrock25.
Actually the touch input, if you look, your mouse was down here in the corner for some reason, so we're a little offset, so I'm gonna restart the site.
Oh wait, here we go. Oh, now I'm ruining it.
Okay, you
Yeah.
can. Okay, now it's fine though.
Wow.
Hey Clint,
Yes.
do you have Mac OS X scaling,
Yes.
Clint?
Yes.
It is. I'm gonna
This
do
makes our 3D much cooler than it ever has been before.
Yeah, I was thinking, man. I don't know what this is. I mean, I don't know what we can do with this.
That was cool to get like to the left of you like that. That was
Yeah.
wild.
Yeah, that's the deal, is that it connects capturing the
still
depth
think
data,
it's,
and so
Oh,
we can
so-
actually. Wait, what am I? I'm moving the
so
whole
you're
Yeah,
moving
you're
the
moving the
whole window.
window.
Let's.
Oh, here we go. I got it.
Okay, there you are.
Yeah.
So yeah, to get on that side of you, and then that is very cool. Wow.
So this is essentially like a 3D, real-time streaming 3D viewer. And we've got some obvious cleanup issues to do. We're still working through it, but
Also-
this is a point cloud.
This is our past. Do you have the new skin version of it?
Yeah, this.
So we started out working with point clouds because it's what Bill was most familiar with, and other people we've been working with, because that's what they do at Simpson Enterprises the most. But we've recently taken it and skinned it with meshes.
That's what I go.
This is crazy though.
Yeah. Yeah, this right now is really crazy. Like, you can
That's
see
really awesome. How?
it's a lot better
how's the
like
latency, like,
picture,
The other
but
thing too is you can look at yourself this
yeah,
way as well.
well.
So you can just look into your.
Yeah,
This is by
but
far so
right now we've got this crazy
very cool. That is,
background. We don't have background subtraction
So
going
you
on,
do-
so
so you
I'm
do,
part of the wall.
you have to do much compression and decompression of the images.
Not
Really-
that much, depends when.
Nice. There we go.
Yeah.
Wow.
See,
There we are.
That's weird.
That's awesome.
See, well, this is what you bought. This is what you paid for.
We get to.
That's
I'm in the
awesome.
matrix.
So it's kind of
Yeah,
trippy right now. We're still working out some
That's
kinks.
really cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, that is trippy.
Are you recording this, Richard?
Yes.
Okay, good. Wow.
Yeah.
These are great visuals in real time.
So,
Yeah.
so we've taken the surface mesh out of this and attached depth data to it, and then we're overlaying the RGB image onto the surface and rendering that.
So you're getting the Z's going on.
Yeah, it's all, and this is all being done.
Back in
This
his
is
face.
a web browser too.
Yeah, real
So
time.
that's the cool
real
thing
time
that-
with our real time.
This is
Yeah,
all happening in a web browser.
And Lynn is in LA over here. Hi, say hi, Lynn. She's also
Oh, hey,
real
man.
time.
You
Hi.
can see her right there.
So
If you
she's
talk to
watching
her
all
right
this as
there.
well.
Oh, it looks like. It
Yeah,
looks
the
more
output.
realistic.
The output is.
So if I like say.
Can you switch side, Lynn?
Oh,
Oh my
And
god.
you go another side?
Okay.
Now,
she's walked through.
Wait,
I have to have this video.
but you
I
imagine.
want to shake a hand.
yeah, you can.
Lynn.
Wait, no, we want to shake Lynn's hand.
Shake
Wait.
Lynn's hand.
You have to get closer to the screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh,
You
so
should
is
look
it
look
really
at the. See,
Yeah.
well, you're
Pull your hand up.
You're up
Pull your
there.
hand up.
Awesome.
Ready?
You can fist bump too. That works.
Yeah,
pretty
it's
well.
probably
this
throwing you
one
off.
might be better.
Okay. It's probably throwing you off because.
You can
it's-
go
Oh,
closer
this
to the
yeah,
screen.
see?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's your
so,
shadow.
so then you look.
Boom. That was a clean one.
Do it one more time.
One more.
Make it explode. But that's cool. So we're seeing, you know, how many
That's so
real
cool.
time sort of things are happening right now.
This
Yeah.
looks so
3,
much better
3,
than it
4.
did at the exhibit the other day. I can't
Because
believe
this
it.
is first generation. Nobody has this first generation output like this. I mean, even just to see
What
your.
does the 3D head look like?
Just
Alright,
like.
so well, we'll stop talking and then you
Oh.
can get like a piece that that might be usable for recording. So.
Oh, no,
Just
it's
kind of
fine.
say what you're.
If you want to do demonstration right now and explain a little,
Yeah, you
can
can just
be
yeah,
introduce
here, let me,
yourself and
yeah.
where we're at.
That's a great idea.
Do you want me out?
Is that better?
No,
you
you
can-
stay.
If you want to go outside.
So
the
as
screen.
though someone doesn't know
inside.
anything on what's going on, you know, you can just.
Do you want me to do any drawing?
Oh, you're interesting. Oh wait, yeah. you
It's
can
like
do some-
actually, I'm on top of myself.
Yeah, that's kind of
which way you need to be.
This is too funny. Yeah.
There we go. So now you're right next to yourself. Both of you guys are next to yourself.
Could you imagine how popular this would have been at CES?
Yeah, next year. So I'm Bill Brock, this is Forrest Pruitt, and we're with Engage 3D. We've been funded through the Mozilla Ignite Challenge to develop a real-time 3D video conferencing system using the Microsoft Kinect. And so we are combining depth data with RGB data and rendering it in real time, and this is our Gigabit app. This is being run in Chrome, which is a browser by Google.
Can you move the browser like you do with the? Or I mean, you know how you know how you were interacting with it, like turning the 3D.
So you're offset about 100 pixels that way. So if you see your mouse is right down there.
There we
you
go.
go.
Okay, cool.
So stay on that side, and you'll be grabbing in the middle.
There we go.
Yeah, so check that out.
So as you can see, this is 3D information being captured and rendered in real time using the Microsoft Kinect, WebSockets, and WebGL.
Lynn, can you also interact with that background while they're standing in front?
Yeah, she could
Yeah,
rotate.
she could turn it, yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
operator
You
error.
ruined it!
Operator error. I don't know. Am I doing
Yeah, you might have
anything?
to go further over to the left. You might be offset as well. So let's see. Click the screen. Can we see your mouse or no?
I'm gonna, Lynn, I'll restart. Will you restart?
Yes.
Okay.
This is so cool. I'm so surprised that this is working because this is infrared technology that's driving this here, and I would think for sure there'd be interference, but there's
The
not.
same reason why you can't have two Kinects facing each other to get two sides of data. This shouldn't work, but it is.
Well, maybe it's offset enough.
To,
Well, I think
You know.
that your infrared is going up and down and
No,
left and right.
right. This
No,
whole
it's-
field, there's 9,500 emitters.
Yeah,
We
it's
have a
nice,
different,
right.
this is infrared.
It's like a big flashlight.
It's like
Well, maybe
like a
since it's-
light, but it's
Only-
diffused.
Only
Now,
the
we have an infrared coming up
only
and down, as I
the
explained
bezel
here
catches
too,
the
but
touch
it's also
input.
probably, it's only
this
focused.
black edge.
So
I see.
that's what it probably is.
So
It's
this
not
is
infrared.
9,500 LEDs with
Okay.
a piece of foam in
It
front
works,
of it.
so that's
Yeah,
what
yeah,
we-
that's-
look at it.
it's
Crazy.
crazy. It works.
Sometimes you don't have to understand it, you just know that it's
Yeah.
working, right?
it's intense.
Well, good, then we did the test, you know.
Here, I'll have to go back to the point cloud view.
It's got to be that
Yeah,
retina.
it's cooler for, I guess,
retina
for
display
this.
that's causing the offset.
Probably,
on
so-
it.
Yeah.
We could recalibrate to the retina and then the mouse clicks would be accurate.
No, it's not worth it. They're jerks for doing it, honestly. They thought they were helping the world.
Yeah, it's another misstep. I mean, they're,
I mean, I like it, but it's
180 billion in the big, and it's still
it's the
doesn't mean
biggest
it's
pain in the
perfect.
ass.
And for web development, forget about it.
Yeah,
Are you
so
talking about for?
The retina.
Oh yeah, yeah.
There's point cloud forest.
All right.
This
I
makes
don't
me
know
so
why my
happy.
go-to is like some awkward like fake kung fu stance or something. Like that.
So you can see, it's,
Yeah.
but yeah, this is 10 frames a second.
Karate Kid.
Yeah.
That's it, great. Okay.
Yeah, we can go to like 20 with the point cloud or 18 with the point cloud, and we can actually get almost 30 with the surface. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let's see. I guess it's more impressive as you zoom. Where's my mouse at right now?
Oh, she took it. No, there it is.
There it is. Let me click once here.
Getting slower.
Okay. There we go. All right.
You know, the other thing, I can control it here as well. So
Yeah. So
While
feel free
you
to
guys
like
are-
explode it. Like you can zoom in using your
Yeah, two-fingered.
your multi-touch.
Yeah, two fingers.
So you can like go inside of build if you choose.
Easy now.
oh, I mean, the fact that I can actually get so here I'm behind. I'm like 3 feet or 10 feet on that side, floating in space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. This
Yeah.
Bill, this allows you to see someone like sneaking up behind you.
Yeah, yeah. I'll never be caught again.
Never again.
Can get above you guys.
Wow, the shadows are really cool too.
Yeah, my shadows are.
This is a great way to view it, actually. This is fun.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, our
Now, can
system
you
is really
imagine we can
transparent to
bound
the
this
content.
to 40, 65 feet and 45 feet screen
Yeah, yeah.
for the big city or art project or something.
Mhm.
Because now this can be transmitted to you directly, and someone else on the other side can interact with this.
And they've worked out all the issues point-to-point networking wise.
Yeah.
So they're streaming real-time 60 frames a second.
Yeah.
You know, with
Wow.
their video
That's
feed.
awesome.
Yeah, what they're doing is insane. What we're doing is fun and hacky, and what they're doing is
Well,
awesome.
here's the deal. Like, you
Yeah.
guys are creating really awesome content, and our system is transparent to whatever content you do. So it blends so well. It's perfect.
Cool.
Did you tell them about the Nautilus?
Oh yeah. So we've been talking with the Nautilus, and
This is a group who like discovered the Titanic, and they have a boat, the Nautilus, and they've discovered like literally hundreds of shipwrecks. I mean, maybe even over 1,000. So
they're wanting to use our technology to stream onboard like viewings of the submersibles before and after or
Cool.
during, like while they're coming
out of the water.
Yeah, or like the cockpit of the crew, and so we're gonna hopefully do a pilot.
Our
with them this
transport
summer.
mechanism is the same, is mil-spec, so it's the same that they use in drones.
Wow.
So we could potentially do like an ROV thing where you could take the output of the ROV, have it as the background, and then have your educator describing what they're seeing, and stream that out to classes or YouTube Live or something. So
Yeah, very cool.
You even had them interact with the submersible, like remotely control it.
Sure. Just in the same way that you could have a kiosk where kids say, pan left, pan right.
Run.
Yeah, right.
What?
Run.
Will. Yeah.
Okay, what we, because he didn't see fully sighting, now you get to taste with the
Oh, yeah.
different
Take
modules,
advantage.
but now you see the sighting is a collaborating device which can, first you've seen that we have all controls in the computer. Now you can have several, like Lynn is in Los Angeles right now.
Okay.
And she can collaborate with us in the same way. She has all controls what we have. Not only this, but we can
Sorry,
draw,
I was getting a drink.
we can draw on this, she can draw, and all is recorded at a high speed. Now, this is so you see, I see her, she sees me on the screen, but the final recording is just like we all together. Can be up to 4 different locations in the same time.
That's amazing.
With a very low latency, I think about 65 milliseconds, because technology what we use.
4 locations, but you saw the mess of people in front.
Yeah,
The hardware
4
can handle anything in front of the screen.
Yeah.
But 4
So
physical.
you can have a chair, I can sit here, I have a mayor, someone location, but anyway, so this is the one, so it's like a studio, unmanned studio. You see normal lighting, now you don't see on me projection. It's inhibited, so it's create alpha channel automatically, and since actually we can control the light on the person. So really, it's not like with normal camera, you put the camera in, the person is blind or the background is exposed, the person is a silhouette, that's all the problems that disappear. So it's a production studio, it's a collaborating device, and we have also mobile application, which we already showed, Bill, but we can show you right now, which this mobile application can go anywhere. So Lynn, I can switch now to the mobile, okay? I can put in
That was
in
amazing.
the remote, and we're recording all this stuff.
Just blows your mind on perception.
Because it's a fixed space. Look at it, because it's a fixed space, it works perfectly. We're always testing in these big open spaces.
Okay, so look what happened. Now I'm in the laptop, which can be bring anywhere in the wall, from close up. Okay, and we can also collaborate in the same features